Want to silence unknown callers on your iPhone? Here's how to turn it on in just a few steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until the end and tap on Apps. Now, scroll down until you find the Phone option and tap on it. Next, scroll down again and look for Silence Unknown Callers. By default, this feature is turned off. To enable it, simply toggle the switch. Once it's on, calls from numbers not saved in your contacts, recent calls, or Siri suggestions will be silenced and sent straight to voicemail. They'll still appear in your recents list, but your phone won't ring and distract you. This is a quick and easy way to avoid spam calls or unknown numbers without blocking your actual contacts. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Silence Unknown Callers on your iPhone. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips.